In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use flexible columns in HubSpot pages. Flexible columns let you build sections that adapt as you add, remove, or rearrange content, so you can design faster without touching code. By the end, you'll know how to add a flexible column, place modules inside it, and safely save your work. Start by heading to your HubSpot dashboard. From the main navigation, open the More menu, then choose Content. In the Content area, select Website Pages to see the list of pages in your site. This is where you'll pick the page you want to work on. Click the name of your page to open it in the page editor. Give the editor a moment to fully load. You should see the editing canvas in the center and the left sidebar with tools and settings. Waiting for everything to render prevents drag and drop glitches and ensures all layout options are available. Now look to the left sidebar and click the plus add button. This opens the module library. The library is your toolbox for everything you can place on the page. Layout elements like columns and content modules like images, text, and buttons. You can scroll to browse categories or use the search bar if you already know what you need. Find the flexible column module. Click and drag it onto your page. As you move your mouse, you'll notice visual placement indicators that show where the module will land. Use those guides to drop the flexible column exactly where you want it in the layout. If it doesn't land in the right spot, just drag it again until the indicator shows the correct position. With the flexible column in place, you can start populating it. Drag an image module, a rich text module, or other content modules directly into the flexible column area. You can stack multiple modules and reorder them by dragging up or down. Keep an eye on the boundaries so everything stays neatly inside the flexible column rather than next to it. Small, deliberate mouse movements help when working in tight sections. After you place a module, click it to edit its content. For images, upload or select the file you want. For text, enter and format your copy right in the editor panel. Make any style adjustments provided by the module's settings. When you're satisfied, click Update to save your changes. Saving regularly is a good habit, especially while you're rearranging modules inside a flexible column. That's it. You've navigated to your page, added a flexible column, placed content modules inside it, and saved your work with confidence.